I can't go on like this anymore. It's time to get fit. I'll start my diet tomorrow. Why am I getting fatter?
Whee!
Welcome! Let's start with 10 push-ups. One way to do it. Counting sheep.
No, Jim. I'll run instead. Is this fitness or a roller coaster?
Don't worry, Pintu. We have a plan. Let the search begin. This is so delicious. What? Huh? I've become a giant round ball. Huh?
Fitness doesn't mean starving yourself. Fitness means balance. From that day on, Pintu understood that dieting isn't about suffering, it's about living smart.